Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a DStv decoder that is keep rebooting in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that the power cable is properly connected. Now a loose cable or faulty adapter can cause the continuous rebooting. So you can also try a different power socket to be sure that it is working properly. Now, once this step is done, you just have to do the second step in which you just have to unplug the decoder. Then simply wait for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This is going to reset the temporary glitches that often cause the reboot related loops. Now, if the decoder feels hot, you just have to simply turn it off and let it cool down. Sometimes overheating is a common reason for the random restarts. Now, you need to make sure that the satellite cable is also tightly connected. A weak or unstable signal can sometimes cause the decoder to reboot repeatedly. Now, if the problem continues, it may be a hardware related issue. In that case, it's best to contact to the customer support team in order to get the decoder checked. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.